Hello everyone, this is Navin Kumar from Aeronautical Engineering, and today my topic is about unmanned aerial vehicles. And I am bearing the rule number of 21955A2106 from Aeronautical Engineering branch. Today my topic is about in that you unmanned aerial vehicles. My topic is about new hinge design helps quadrotors climb a few dozen feet in seconds. A new hinge design that enables quadrotors, or also called quadcopters, to climb rapidly is a significant development in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles like UAVs and aerial robotics. Rapid ascent capabilities can have several important applications and implementations. Here in this subtopic, in this UAV topics, my topic is about new engine design for a quadrotors. Like in this topic, uh, how the hinge get helps to climb the quadrotor for a high altitude, and which is a major impact on this current technologies, how the drones, like how the UAVs will climb by designing this new hinge. And this is my topic is all about, and the topics on that basic topic, the complete role will be played in this PPT. And I'm currently discussing about the emergency response. Quadrotors equipped with this new design can quickly ascend to a higher altitude, which is crucial crucial for research for such and rescue missions in disaster stricken areas. And they can reach vantage points to survey and situations, and possible to deliver supplies or communication equipment. And coming to this security and surveillance, and in this security and surveillance applications, rapid ascent allows quadrotor to shift, reach higher perspective for monitoring large areas and tracking targets. Hmm. These valuable for law enforcement and border control and perimeter security. And coming to this aerial photography and filming, in this film and photography industry, past ascent capabilities enables capture dynamic aerial shots with a greater speed and agility. In filmmakers can make a dramatic crane-like shots without the need of complex cron based on equipment. And coming to this environmental monitoring, in these environmental monitoring areas, the UAVs, like for scientific and environmental applications such as monitoring wildlife or assessing environmental conditions. Rapid ascent can help drones quickly gain access to specified locations and obtain data more efficiently. And coming to the applications of agriculture, in these agriculture applications, in precision agriculture, drones and equipped with the ability to rapidly ascend can uh, swiftly survey large agriculture fields, uh, assess crop health and take immediate actions such as pesticide spraying and irrigation. And coming to delivery services. In this context, the drones delivers these capabilities allows for a faster package delivery, mm, especially to remote and hard to reach locations. Drone can ascend rapidly and navigate obstacles more efficiently. Mm, And coming to military and defense service areas, in these military and defense applications, rapid ascent can be used for uh, reconnaissance and surveillance and target acquisition. And it also provides an advantage situations where speed and altitude are critical. The specific engine design and technology employed to achieve rapid in quadrotors would need to be careful and engineered and tested for reliability and efficiency and safety. And it's important to consider factors such as power consumptions and control algorithms and stability and safety features to ensure that the rapid ascent capability is a practical and can be seamlessly it is integrated into a variety of applications in these military defense services. And coming to as with any technological advancement, there is a there is maybe regularity and safety consideration to address, including compliance and with aviations and regulations, aerospace management, and collusion in avoidance systems to ensure safe and responsible for those high climbing quadrotors. And in this topic, we are we are completely discussed how the hinge will affect on the different areas where the UAVs applications, like in the emergency services, like in the emergency response, and we are discussed about the security and surveillance area applications, and uh, we are discussed about the aerial photography and filming process and how the hinge in design will affect the use in this aerial photography and filming. And we are discussed about the environmental monitoring, and we have discussed in the agriculture effects, and we are discussed about the delivery packages. And in the area of military defense, we have discussed how the hinge design will affect in that area. And all these technologies were discussed in this topic. And thank you.